Humanity has always been driven by a single powerful instinct: exploration. We crossed the oceans, we mapped the continents, and we conquered the skies. But now we face our greatest challenge yet. Hanging in the night sky like a rusty jewel is Mars. It is the only planet we can realistically dream of inhabiting, yet it is a world that seems designed to reject us. For decades, science fiction has sold us a dream of glass domes and flying cars on the red planet. But the reality of colonizing Mars is not a movie. It is a logistical and biological nightmare. In this video, we are going deeper than the headlines. We will explore the toxic soil that burns human skin, the ancient oceans hiding beneath the crust, the psychological toll of a 7-month voyage, and the audacious plan to turn this dead world into a second Earth. Is life on Mars actually possible? Or is it just a suicidal fantasy? Let's find out. Humanity has always been driven. To understand if we can live there, we first have to respect how dangerous Mars truly is. If you were to step onto the surface today without a spacesuit, you wouldn't just suffocate, you would perish in seconds. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide and incredibly thin, less than 1% of Earth's density. This means there is almost no pressure to keep your body functioning. But the air isn't the only enemy. Mars is freezing. With an average temperature of -80 degrees Fahrenheit, it is colder than the most remote corners of Antarctica. And then, there is the ground beneath your feet. The Martian soil is not like Earth's soil. It is regolith, covered in toxic chemicals called perchlorates. These salts are hazardous to the human thyroid. So, in a way, the planet itself is poisonous. Living on Mars means fighting a war against the elements every single day, inside sealed habitats where a single crack in the wall could mean the end of everything. However, despite this terrifying environment, Mars holds a seductive secret that keeps drawing us back: water. We now know for a fact that billions of years ago, Mars was not red, but blue. It had a thick atmosphere, fluffy clouds, and massive oceans that likely hosted microbial life. So, where did it all go? When the planet's magnetic field collapsed, solar winds stripped away the atmosphere, and the water evaporated into space. But not all of it left. Today, NASA's Perseverance rover is roaming the Jezero crater, an ancient river delta, drilling for fossilized signs of life. More importantly, radar scans have revealed massive glaciers buried under the dust, and potentially liquid brine lakes deep underground. The water is there, waiting for us. If we can access it, we can drink it, grow plants with it, and even split it to create rocket fuel. Water is the key to unlocking Mars. But before we can drink that water, we have to get there. And the journey is arguably the hardest part. Earth and Mars only align perfectly once every 26 months. This launch window dictates everything. The trip itself takes about 7 months aboard a spacecraft like SpaceX's Starship. During this transit, astronauts will be exposed to galactic cosmic radiation, which can rewrite DNA and increase cancer risks. But the physical danger pales in comparison to the psychological one. Imagine being locked in a metal can, millions of miles from everyone you love, with no way to turn back. There is a 20-minute communication delay with Earth. If an emergency happens, Mission Control can't help you in real time. You are completely alone in the black void. The mental resilience required for this trip is something humanity has never tested before. Let's assume we survive the trip and land safely. How do we build a civilization? We can't carry skyscrapers from Earth. We have to use what's already there. This concept is called in situ resource utilization. We will likely live in lava tubes, giant natural underground caves that protect us from radiation and meteorites. Inside these caves, robots will use 3D printers to turn the red dust into concrete structures. We are already testing technology like Moxie, a device that acts like a mechanical tree, converting the carbon dioxide in the air into breathable oxygen. Our food will be grown in hydroponic vertical farms under purple LED lights, recycling every drop of water and every gram of waste. It won't be a luxurious life. It will be a tight, efficient, and recycled existence. But it will be life. Once we have a foothold, the ultimate dream begins: terraforming. This is the process of engineering the entire planet to make it like Earth. Scientists have proposed radical ideas, from orbiting mirrors that melt the polar ice caps to releasing super greenhouse gases to warm the atmosphere. It sounds like science fiction, and it would take hundreds, perhaps thousands of years. But if successful, the red planet would slowly turn green and blue. The atmosphere would thicken, rain would fall, and future generations might walk on the surface without suits. So, is life on Mars possible? Yes, but it will require a new kind of human, one who is willing to leave Earth behind forever. We are standing on the threshold of a new era. The rocket is ready. The destination is set. The only question left is, are you ready for the future? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We explore the universe every week. Thanks for watching.